Hello, my name's Angela. I'm going to talk about parameters of normal vocal quality. So in order to do this, I'm going to come over here to the Pratt software where I pre-recorded myself saying the Rainbow Passage, which is a normal passage used to evaluate speech by speech therapists. We zoom in on the that it was recorded by me, of me, and we take a small bit of the sonogram to get the data from it. So different parts of the sonogram will show different data, and that's okay. We're going to see if this little portion that I've highlighted here is within normal limits. So the maximum frequency range, this is what makes you not sound monotoned or monotonous. If you have a good frequency range, then you'll be interesting to listen to, as well as you should be able to put different emphasis on different words to make them mean different things. The speaking fundamental frequency. So the speaking fundamental frequency really depends on the physical characteristics of your vocal folds, which is why it's going to be different for men, women, and children, because they all have different physical characteristics of the vocal cords. So the average for women is 200 hertz. So if we come over here to the data we've collected, my mean pitch is 219.82 hertz, which is still pretty close to 200 hertz. So I would say I am within normal limits on that. This is important because if you're a grown man and you're speaking in a little girl's voice, it's going to sound very odd to a listener. So the maximum phonation time is not going to be over on the Pratt software. It's right there. So it's the maximum phonation time is known as air cost. It's essentially how long you can hold a vowel. A normal adult can hold a vowel such as E for a comfortable length of 15 to 25 seconds, whereas a small child could hold it for about 10 seconds. Minimum and maximum intensity at various fundamental frequencies. So that's a healthy adult should have an amplitude level that varies between 20 and 30 decibels. So this is talking about how loud, essentially, that you talk on average. So down here I have a speech banana. It's used by speech therapists to demonstrate the vowels and consonants that in the English language and the decibels and loudness and frequency where they are commonly spoken and heard. So the periodicity of vibrations, these measures are what makes a voice sound natural or unnatural. They're measured in jitter and shimmer. So if we come over here to jitter, we'll see that my jitter is 0.769. The average jitter is between 0.2 and 1%, so that is average. That's within normal limits. Young children and elderly do tend to have higher jitter values. Jitter can be measured in a lot of different ways, but for this purpose we're going to just use percents. Shimmer measures amplitude, variability, or loudness. So the shimmer over on this side of my voice, here we go. So you can see that the average shimmer is below 0.5 decibels. So my shimmer is a little high in this instant. It's at 0.6 decibels. Actually, that's low. So I am still within average range in this instance. Noise generated by turbulent airflow. So this data can be seen under the mean harmonic to noise ratio, which is down here at the bottom of my screen. So what I have shown, my harmonics to noise ratio is 16.12. According to Awen and Frankel, the adult female average should be 15.38. So I am still within normal limits when it comes to this turbulent airflow. So a small mean HNR will identify more noise in the voice. So this will identify if your voice is raspy or hoarse. And that is all of the measures of parameters of normal vocal quality. Thank you.